Hello, my name is Emmanuel, and I wanted to give a presentation on the property recommendation system for housing appraisals. This is a project I worked on with Head Starter. So the problem I wanted to solve is that appraisal housing requires a lot of collection of data and a large amount of data just in general, which can be very time consuming when done manually. And the best way to appraise a house to look at the closing price of similar nearby houses and properties. However, searching through all these data by hand can be very time consuming. And a solution that I came up with is that it will be one single website where users can filter by city they're interested in and select a specific house and instantly receive recommendation for other properties that are sold at similar prices. So the two key features of this website is that the website has a table where users can browse through or choose from a selection of houses, and once they choose, they can put like the index they and then they'll receive a recommendation of houses based on the characteristic of the house they chose, and they will get the information of the closing price and other important information for proper appraisal. Let's get to the demo. So once the user starts, they can be greeted with this table of houses. So they let's just say and let's just say they want to see the full list and see what they can get from this. So this is the full list of houses, there's a couple of thousands, and let's just say they want to filter through by Kingston. They only look at houses in Kingston. They can copy Kingston name and then paste it through here, and then when they click on filter, the only ones that show up are houses that are in Kingston. And let's just say they want prices that are close to this house, index 2, which is in Kingston. This is the characteristics of the house: is 3 bedroom, 11 room count, the house type, property, and all the qualities. Let's just say they want 2. So they can click on here and they can put the index, which is 2, and they can look at get recommendation, and based on that they'll be given of the best houses that are close to Kingston and also have similar properties to Kingston. uh Similar property, like the property room, the houses here, best that are closest to the house it's selected. They look at the property and they can get the best one that's the closest to it. Let's just say they want another house in this place. They can zip through this, click on filter, and let's just say they want the first one, which has this longitude, bedrooms, uh, room count, the house type, yada yada, 2 stories. And let's just say they want, I'm gonna get the number, and then I can click on this and then put it here, and then based on that I'll get the best ones based on the characteristic of the other house, and then you can look at the closing price, the distance from the house, uh and they can look at everything, and then they can have like a proper pay. They can give a proper price based on these recommendations.